What are you doing in my truck? Why are you in my truck? Hello? Sir? Alright then, I guess I'm just gonna leave. Floor's not lava. This guy must be crazy. Hello? Why are you in my truck? I just came in my truck right now and the first thing I see is a dead body. Or maybe he's alive. I can tell that he's alive because his eyes are open. And his legs move. Are you alright? Sir? Sir?
The floor is lava.
The floor is not lava. I can see it with my very two eyes.
Touch it then.
Fine. I'll show you the floor is not lava. You think it's lava, but it's actually not. So, ready? Oh!
Told you.
Whoa. So, what are we supposed to do now? How are we supposed to get in our house?